Hello, everybody. Welcome to EduTap, and I hope you all guys are doing absolutely good. So, today, due to a special occasion, we all have gathered today Gurkira sir, Kritika ma'am, Jalaj and Jaskaran sir. And what is this special occasion? As we all know, today is 1st April 2025, and RBI, our dear Reserve Bank of India, has completed how many years, ma'am?
90 years, sir.
How many, sirs?
90 years, sir.
How many, sir?
90 years.
90 years of its inception, and a big round of applause for RBI because they have done some tremendous job and they have done something which is like out of this universe. So the agenda of our today's session is first of all to understand the overall major points. Today we will be discussing 9 major points that what RBI has done from 1935, and we as a faculty, again we as a citizen, salute RBI that yes, they have done something very major big. So I will start first, then I will call all the faculties one by one. Now, first major point which I think RBI has done related to the entire banking system is the forex management. Forex, as in, like you all know, in 1991 globalization happened, but RBI was the key pillar. RBI was the key pillar which managed multiple related schemes related to forex. For example, you have liberalized remittances scheme, you have capital account convertibility and multiple other things. So if when it comes to, I would say, RBI doing the forex stuff, hats off, and it is very very technical stuff. Hats off to all the RBI grade B managers, hats off to all the managers or different people who are working in RBI. For the second point, I would like to call Gurkirat sir. Gurkirat sir, please come on the stage. Sir, we are a faculty of RBI, and sir today बहुत खुश हो रहा है कि RBI ने आज 90 साल complete करे. How do you see RBI as an institution, and what are the major points, sir?
I think one of the most important point is we are standing here और आप सबके अकाउंट में एक सिंपल चीज क्या है, बैंक आपकी पॉकेट में है. दैट टेल्स अस दैट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हिच आरबीआई हैज गिफ्टेड अस इज फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन. इट हैज गिवन अस वन थिंग दैट विद विच वी कैन डू द ट्रांजेक्शंस. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है बैंकिंग द अनबैंक्ड, बिकॉज वी जनरली से दिस थिंग इन ऑलवेज व्हेनेवर वी टेक द सेशंस कि यार इंडिया में मेजर प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि लोगों के पास बैंक अकाउंट्स नहीं है, फाइनेंशियली दे आर नॉट लिटरेट. दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक दिस इज द वन ऑफ द मेजर work I could say or task that RBI has done in the past 90 years. Now everyone, whenever we are talking, तो बैंक अकाउंट सबके पास है, they know how to operate the bank accounts. And second thing I would say, Jalal sir, here is the overall growth in terms of banking structure. Because अगर RBI ना होता तो हमने देखा है बहुत बड़ी बड़ी इकोनॉमीज, अगर बैंक सेंट्रल बैंक क्रैश हो जाए तो पूरा का पूरा बैंकिंग सिस्टम क्रैश हो जाता है. एंड आई थिंक आरबीआई हैज मैनेज. येस देयर आर अप्स एंड डाउन्स, ऑब्वियसली देयर आर समवेयर सम बैंक्स हैव कम, जो कि येस बैंक कैन बी अ केस वी कैन से कि आरबीआई शायद इतना सक्सेसफुल नहीं था, बट दैट्स वन ऑफ द केस. वी कैन नॉट से अगर 90 ईयर की लेगेसी है तो पर उसमें भी आरबीआई ने ऐसा नहीं बोला कि हाथ छोड़ दिए कि नहीं यार हमने हाथ खड़े कर दिए. आरबीआई स्टिल प्लेड अ प्रोमिनेंट रोल, एंड आई वुड से इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो आरबीआई विल बी देयर वेयर अगर कभी भी बैंकिंग का नाम हो तो हमारा सेंट्रल बैंक हमारे पीछे खड़ा ही है. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन आई वुड से.
Right. So, sir, according to you, the transformation of banking sector, because पहले हमारे पास payment bank, small finance bank कुछ नहीं थे. But now if you see, we have neo banks also, which is coming in this particular banking sector. And the second point is financial inclusion. I still remember, sir, my dada used to go to his bank, and then he used to come in the evening, क्योंकि बैंक बहुत tough होता था, बहुत दूर होता था. But now people are doing banking with ease. And with this particular point, sir, we always have banks in our pocket, as you said. We have UPI. We have RTGS, we have NEFT and multiple other stuff. So एक point से मैं यहाँ पे ऐड कर देता हूँ कि the digital transformation which RBI has done, totally saluting. Like what happened through UPI, it's a digital infrastructure, and every now and then we do not carry cash in our pockets because now we have UPI. Right, sir? And transferring the money to RTGS, wow. ट्रांसफरिंग टू मनी, यस यस
बिल्कुल सर. जैसे आपने बोला, आई थिंक हम में से जो भी अपने दादा परदादा को देख रहे होंगे, और आई विल नॉट से दादा परदादा, अगर हमने अपने फादर को भी देखा है तो उनके टाइम से भी हम तो बहुत ज्यादा एडवांस हो चुके हैं, और वही शायद एडवांसमेंट ही है जो आरबीआई ने हमारी जनरेशन गिफ्ट किया. और ऑब्वियसली जो नेक्स्ट आएगी, आपने बोला आईएमपीएस है, यूपीआई है, तो आपको मुझे लगता है बस आप आगे आने वाला एआई भी आने वाला है, तो ये होगा कि
सीबीडीसी आने वाला है.
तो ये होगा कि हम बोलेंगे हेलो और बैंक से पैसे निकल जाएंगे.
So again, hats off to RBI for these 4 points which we have discussed so far. So first is forex, then is digital transformation. Gurkira sir has added banking transformation and financial inclusion. Now allow me to call our faculty Jaskaran sir. Jaskaran sir, again I am very happy. I hope you are also very happy today. But tell me 2 very important points which you think RBI has transformed the Indian economy.
Yes, sir. I think it's a great moment to appreciate the efforts that have been taken by RBI in these past years. And one, I would say, point, very, very important point or role played by the RBI that is there in my memory is regarding during the scenario of COVID-19. I would say those were the tough times in our country, and RBI made sure that the money keeps flowing. And in order to do that, RBI took different type of measures. For example, it ensured monetary easing by slashing repo rate. Apart from that, it also ensured liquidity support to the critical sectors through the initiatives like targeting long-term repo operations. So these were the I think type of initiatives that gave relief to the borrowers and as well as to the financial institutions also.
Right, sir. So basically, you are saying that how RBI played a role in crisis, not only COVID, sir. I think, sir, during global financial crisis, during the dot-com bubble, and multiple other stuff, RBI has came to rescue the Indian economy. By far, sir, if you see in the COVID times, if I go back in the era of 2020, definitely making a payment was a very, very tough task to do, because you give a currency, you get a currency, and there is a chances of that you will get that virus also. So, sir, definitely RBI has played a huge role in crisis management also, and there are multiple other ways which I think RBI has contributed. Any other point which you would like to add?
Yes, sir. As you have said, regarding the payments, I would say yes, digitization also played an equally important role during those tough times, and RBI made sure that no sector suffers.
Yes.
It tried to infuse the liquidity. It tried to make sure that the financial inclusion objective does not get compromised at any cost, and it made sure that there is money in the critical sectors, for example, the healthcare, and also the facilities are available to the marginalized section of the society also. So I would say RBI role, I would say it is not an easy task where RBI stood and it made sure that the economy grows well during those tough circumstances also.
Right. So it's like, again, hats off moment to RBI because they are doing a brilliant job. So these 2 points are contributed by Jaskaran sir. Now allow me to call Kritika ma'am. Kritika ma'am, again, you teach RBI notifications and you are always on RBI website. So how do you see this success of RBI first of all?
Okay. So I will say, first of all, RBI is the banker to the government, right? So RBI manages the borrowings of the government, as well as RBI itself lends to the government also through the ways and means advances, overdraft facility and such. Now, why is it so important? Because if the government has the money, the government provides the social security benefits, the government provides the social security schemes and the welfare schemes. So if the government will not have the money, the poor people will not get the benefits and the schemes that are running currently. So the RBI is there to help and to back the government that, okay, if you are lacking the operational money, we will provide you, just continue with the help that is given to the poor sector, right? Second point is currency management, that Jaskaran sir has also said that RBI manages the currency. Now, when there is too much liquidity, when there is too much money supply, RBI controls it so that it is managed at a good level. If there is very less money supply, the RBI boosts the money supply in the economy. So RBI also manages the currency at the appropriate level. And you can understand that we are talking about crores and crores and crores, and RBI is managing that much of the currency in the country. Now, coming to the last point, that is inflation targeting. RBI targets the inflation. There is the Monetary Policy Committee that meets bi-monthly to see that the inflation should not go beyond a particular upper tolerance level and the inflation should not go below the lower tolerance level. So RBI manages the liquidity and the RBI looks after the inflation targeting. The RBI maintains the inflation around 4% within the range of lower 2% and the upper 6%. Okay, so
Right.
these are some important functions.
Right. So basically, Kritika ma'am has justified many functions of RBI. And this is what we salute RBI again, because RBI has done a major job when it comes to transforming of Indian economy. And we cannot even think of Indian economy surviving without RBI. So you need a solid foundation of RBI. And yes, the present governor, Mr. Sanjay Malhotra sir, and the past governors also, a big, big thank you from the entire nation of EduTap, because I know you celebrate your anniversary in offices only, but we are also there. We are also celebrating with you, and a big, big thank you from the entire team of EduTap. But yes, students, if you have some more points, please drop it in the comment box. We will be very much happy to see your viewpoints also. And let me know that how you see as an RBI. Is it just an exam for you? I hope it is not, because RBI is an emotion for all of us, right? So that's it. It was a small video for all of you, and I hope we have not bored you, which we usually do in our content sessions, right? So bye-bye, have a good day ahead and keep studying.